Hello friends, welcome to our channel StudyDesk4U. Hi guys, in this video now we will download the Pycharm, okay? And previously we have completed this Python on this libraries also we have installed, right? Now we are going to install the Pycharm and then configure that, okay? Open the new tab and search for Pycharm download and click on this link jetbeans.com, and here you can see the community version, okay? And you need to click on your Windows and then you need to download the community version accordingly, otherwise it will download the Mac version or the Linux version, okay? Click on this Windows and then you download this community version. It is a free and open source, you can use only for pure Python development, okay? Click on download and it will start download. Click on this show folder so that it will show in the folder. See here, it already got downloaded, and double click on this to install and click on yes. Click on next and click on next, and if you want to create the shortcut means you can click on this and add a launcher to direct it to the path. Click on this one, click on next, click on install. Now it will install completely, it will take some time. And if you want reboot now, you can click on this, otherwise I want to reboot manual later, you can click on this one so that you can reboot after some time. And we have successfully installed the Pycharm as well, and search for here Pycharm and click on that. You can click on this do not import settings, or else you can click on configure installation if already exists anything the Pycharm in your PC. I'm clicking on the do not import and see here, click on next feature. We have successfully installed this Pycharm, and you can click on this create project now and you can name the project title, and here you can browse that where you need to keep your projects. I'm keeping in the same folder in this users del and in this place, otherwise you can browse the required path from here wherever you required. You can keep in C drive or else E drive, whatever you required. I am going to keep in the E drive, okay? E drive, and then I am marking as Python project. And then here you need to select the interpreter version, whatever Python version you have installed, right? That exe file it will be, right? We need to select that and click on create. Our project will be successfully created, and see here our project was successfully created. We have successfully configured our Pycharm as well. In the later videos we will see how to create the project and everything, okay? That's all. For complete tutorial, please visit to the Udemy link which is given in below description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.